This is Craft Room Crash, and I'm outside DIYer Brooke Roe's house. Now, she says she was born with a glue gun in her hand and loves the magic of the creative process. So, let's go crash her craft room and find out what magic Brooke is gluing today.
Jane!
Hey, Brooke!
Welcome!
I'm so excited to be here. Where's the craft room?
Right this way.
Let's go. Oh, wow! This is beautiful. Look at this craft room.
Hi, my name's Brooke Roe. I own Pinspiration, the world's first DIY Pinterest-inspired makerspace.
It's just like peaceful, but yet it's just so boho chic.
Why, thank you.
This is where the magic happens.
This is it. My style really is very much inspired by nature. So I kind of think, a little boho, a little whimsical. So it's my kind of multi-purpose space. I'm in here, sometimes as an office space and doing some good old R&D, and then I'm in here meditating. And then I think my gift is saying, okay, how can I make that accessible to the masses? How can I make this easy for people to do and make something that they're successful with and also proud of?
By the way, I love the meditating. You take a deep breath in, and you smell glue gun.
That's it. How do you get rid of the glue gun smell?
I don't know.
That's what
I love
wanna
the
know.
smell of glue gun in the morning, right?
That's right. That dang glue gun. I can't do without it.
So what are we making today?
So today, on that note, we're going to be making a faux steer skull.
Where's the glue gun?
So the glue gun has its own stand, of course, Jane.
Oh, look at your glue gun.
So it's
This
ready
is
to
your
go.
glue gun?
I fired this baby. I know it's teeny tiny. I fired it up though, and it's ready to work. It's powerful, small but mighty.
Small but mighty, proving that size does not matter. Okay, let's get started.
So first we're going to start with the primed resin faux skull. You can get them online. So Etsy is a great source if you go to Etsy.
So somebody casts these.
They actually cast them from mold. And then we're gonna paint it. So we'll kind of use our sponge brushes and we'll paint a base layer on the actual skull and on the antlers.
Do I get right here inside the nostrils?
And get inside those nostrils, you got it. We're gonna get right in those eye sockets, get the teeth. I'm gonna start working on the horns.
Oh, good idea.
I'm gonna paint them like a dark brown.
How's that looking?
I'm loving it so
Teacher.
far. It's looking great.
Okay.
And then once this dries a tiny, tiny bit, we can go and take our stain and just lightly dry brush it. So that'll be sort of our next step and give it a little bit of that kind of dirty look. We'll dirty it up. You don't want to let it sit too long or it will look awful, but that just gives it, isn't that nice? It gives it like a more natural look.
It's literally stained.
Because bone isn't pure
Perfect,
white the whole time. It's not perfect. So if you want to just start maybe right here and just add a little glue for me, I'm going to apply the nos. We're going to get out our trusty little glue gun and we're going to start to attach things that inspire us. They might be feathers, they might be jewels, they could be succulents or moss or stones. And I'll just keep going.
Oh yes.
Teamwork
Where
here.
do I put it?
And then let's
Here,
kind of go down a little bit with it.
Okay, I'll hold this up while you slide over.
Sealed there.
This is fun.
Perfect.
Oh, geez,
I think we're going to need a glue stick refill soon, don't you? Let's get this guy going in the back. We've already been through one. Whew, getting hot. Okay. All right.
Woo! The glue gun.
I know.
And then you just fill in the
And then you can just fill in the rest. I mean, you could add some rocks or some crystals or, really anything that you want.
This is awesome. Everyone is going to start making their own desertscapes.
I hope
right?
they do.
Yeah. Thanks so much to Brooke. Now we all know how to make a boho chic faux steer skull inspired by the desert landscape. And that is what Brooke is making in her craft room. What are you making in your craft room? I'll see you next time. What a great idea. This is so cute. I love the centerpiece.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, and don't forget, happiness is handmade because Einstein said creativity is intelligence having fun. Isn't that your motto too?
Favorite quote.
I know, I stole it from you.
Love it.
You told me about it.
That's right.